My dad worked for 35 years, never missed a day, saved every penny he could. And when he retired, he had less money than when he started. Not because he was lazy, not because he was bad at his job, because nobody ever told him this. Here's the thing they don't teach you in school. Your money is dying right now. Sitting in a regular savings account, doing nothing, feeling safe? It's not safe. Inflation is quietly eating it alive. If your savings account pays 0.1% and inflation is running at 3%, you're not saving. You're losing 2.9% every single year. That responsible thing you were doing, it was actually costing you. That's not your fault. Nobody told you. But here's where it gets strange. The people who weren't being responsible, the ones who invested instead of saved, they came out ahead. Way ahead. £1,000 in savings 10 years ago, you'd have roughly £1,270 today. That same thousand in a simple index fund, close to £3,000, nearly 4 times more, for doing almost nothing. Saving and investing are not the same thing. I used to think they were. Saving is the concrete slab. Investing is the house you actually live in. And the wildest part, it's not how much you invest that matters most. It's when. A 25-year-old putting in £200 a month will almost always beat a 35-year-old putting in £400. Think about that. The person doing less wins just because they started earlier. Every year you wait, you're not just delaying wealth, you're destroying it. Now let's talk about debt, because this one broke my brain. I thought debt was shameful, something to hide, something to escape. But wealthy people, they use debt on purpose. Here's the difference nobody explains. Bad debt costs you more than any investment can ever return. 20% credit card interest is a trap with no exit. But good debt, a mortgage, a business loan, borrowed at low rates to build something real, the goal was never to be debt-free. The goal is to owe smart and own more. And here's the one nobody talks about at all. Your salary, it means nothing. I've seen people earning $150K completely broke. I've seen people on $30K quietly building real wealth. The number that matters isn't what comes in. It's the gap between what you own and what you owe. That's your net worth. That's your real score. My dad didn't fail. He was just playing the game with the wrong rules. So were most of us. The rules are simple once you know them.